Imagine an AI assistant that could learn to use any piece of software you throw at it. Photoshop, Excel, a complex video editor. Not by some programmer spending months coding it, but just by watching YouTube tutorials. The same way we all do. It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, right? Well, it turns out it's a lot closer to reality than you might think.
And that really brings us to the core question we're going to tackle in this explainer. Is it actually possible to teach an AI to master something as complex as Photoshop just by letting it binge watch the millions of tutorial videos that are already out there? The answer, incredibly, is yeah. It looks like we can. All right, so here's the game plan. We're going to start with the dream of this ultimate AI computer assistant. Then we'll hit the huge roadblock that's been holding this whole idea back. After that, we'll get into the really clever solution, see how it turns videos into actual instructions, and then the big one. We'll check the data to see if it really works. And finally, we'll talk about what this means for all of us. Okay, first things first, let's talk about the grand vision here. We're talking about creating AI assistants that can genuinely, truly operate our computers for us. In the field, these are known as computer use agents. So, a computer use agent, or CUA for short, is pretty much what it sounds like. It's an AI that can use a computer. You could give it a high-level command like, hey, find last quarter's sales data, pull out the key trends, and throw them into a presentation for me. And the CUA would figure out all the steps and then actually perform all the clicks, the scrolls, the typing, everything needed to get it done. The potential here is just massive. We're talking about automating everything from the little boring tasks to giant complex workflows.
But, and this is a big but, there has always been this huge hurdle. For an AI to learn how to do all this, it needs to see tons and tons of examples. And for the longest time, we've been stuck in what's called a data bottleneck. We just couldn't create enough good training data to teach them.
And this slide really nails the problem. You've got two bad options. On one side, you have data that's been carefully labeled by humans. It's the gold standard, super high quality, but my gosh, is it slow and eye-wateringly expensive to make. On the other side, you've got these older methods for creating fake or synthetic data. Sure, it's fast and cheap, but the quality is often terrible. It's simplistic, it's inaccurate, and it just doesn't capture how real people actually use software. You are completely stuck between a rock and a hard place. So this is where the big breakthrough happens. A group of researchers had this brilliant insight. They thought, wait a minute, what if we could just tap into the single largest library of human computer demonstrations on the entire planet? What if AIs could just